Hey, Bob. Hey, where's Xavier at, man? Huh? Where's Chris is at? Yeah, man, he can't leave that. Oh. What's his? Why won't he leave her alone, dude? Yeah. How irritating, right? Where's Chris is at, Bob? Will you point it out? I don't know where Chris is. Okay. Okay, I don't want to get big. All right. Thanks, man. All right, so. What? Yeah. All right, so this was the house that he's supposed to be at, but this guy says he's over at the other house. So they did say at the original house that he would be either one of these. So we'll check that one. Sister residency? Yeah. Yep. Yeah, the tent city. There's like 3 of them up there. And you even tell first thing out of his mouth was, "Did he do a boo-boo again?" I said, "We can't stop messing with that girl." So obviously that's a reoccurring issue that he can't leave that chick alone. Going over there and knocking on the door. Yeah.
Wait. You know the specific distances that we push.
Yeah, 500 feet. I mean, this is probably 1,000. Look at this place. It's like a compound, man. Look at this place.
They say it's one specific?
Yeah. Already?
Oh, Xavier.
Come on, dude. What are you doing, man? Why are you all messing with that girl still?
Listen, look, bro, I've been at work all day, y'all. Hold up. I've been at work all day.
Stop for a second. Relax.
Hey,
we don't
man.
need you to do nothing's done.
I ain't been down there. I've been at work all day. I just got home 2 minutes ago.
Put your hands behind your back real quick.
I told her to next time. Take a photo.
Drop that.
Timestamp, take a video. So you have some proof or something.
Drop it. Stop. Xavier, stop tensing your arms up or you're going to go face first on the ground.
No, tell him what's up.
Yeah, I understand.
No, tell him what's up. Tell him what's up, man. I haven't been there, man.
Relax.
Officer, listen.
Stop. Dude, those handcuffs are going to cinch down on you. Stop.
All right, man, because I ain't been there. I just got home.
Is there anybody that can corroborate your story?
Yes, Robert.
Where's Robert?
He's down here somewhere.
The reason you're over here now, you were staying in here, Xavier?
See all my stuff back there? Look, okay, all my stuff. Look over there.
Here, scoot up so I can hear phone.
Yeah. Over there. No, I'm not staying over there. I was getting ready to call you. I see that fucking thing.
Look, basically, she called in. Said,
Oh, my God.
Hold on, dude, I'm trying to talk to you. She called in, said you were knocking on the door, and said you want to talk, and that you would not press charges if she talked to you.
Press charges about what?
Her and then whoever else is in there, what's his name? The boyfriend, Victor or whatever?
I don't know.
Whatever the guy's name is, said you were at the door, knocking on the door. She filled out a statement, so that's where we're at.
Listen,
What?
I promise you, because I promised that officer right there when he took me in to transport me. I ain't going nowhere. This is the 3rd time I've been buying it out. I worked all day. Look at my clothes. You can see I done worked all day. Look at
I
me.
don't know. I mean, you're just wearing clothes.
I'm dirty, man. I'm dirty.
It might be dirty clothes, man. I don't know. Look, basically, look, Xavier, look. She made the allegation, right? It's just an allegation. You're not guilty.
She's
Okay.
lying. I can't go to
Can
jail.
you let me talk?
Yes, sir.
Listen, she made the allegation. She filled out a statement. We can't just blow her off and walk away from her.
Yes, you can because
No, we can't.
Listen, he knows.
He doesn't know. He wasn't there.
You know. You know what she's up to.
That's why I told her to, if she comes, make sure you can document that on this.
Yes.
Go talk to Robert Taylor.
Rob, Thorne?
Robert,
Well, just talk to him. He said you were over here.
Okay, yeah, I just got home 2 minutes ago.
He didn't say nothing about that. No, he said you were over here.
Yeah, I just
Dude,
literally got home from
If you were home 2 minutes ago, we've been here for at least 30 minutes. You never walked.
Did y'all see me?
No.
Okay, you know why? See,
Why?
Because I've been back. Well, not home 2 minutes ago, but you know what I'm saying. I've been.
Now,
down
see,
here.
now your story's making zero
What I'm
sense,
saying
man.
is, I haven't been.
This is a
down
one-way
there.
road, man. You never walked past it.
Look.
I've been here since,
Exactly.
I don't
So
know,
I
30,
never-
40 minutes.
So I never walked past, so that means I never been there.
Because you may have already come here after you. If you were at work, wouldn't you have walked past me?
No, I got to drive now. I got to drive.
By which car? Only 2 cars passed me in that time frame, man. Which car?
It's 2 different stories. It's hard
Listen,
to get it right.
Were you in the brand new truck with the old white guy that was by himself? No?
No, I was with Chris,
And what car was that?
a Nissan.
No Nissan passed me, dude.
On that street right there,
A pickup and a Tahoe
On
are the
Linden?
only ones that passed me.
On Linden?
Lisa?
Lisa, whatever that is. Lisa Lane.
What, did you cut through somebody's yard?
Yeah, I think through that
No,
yard.
no, we ain't done playing this.
Listen,
What is that
get-
paper?
Go down there, man. I'm
Come on, we
promising
gotta
you.
get in his car. Let's
I'm promising you I did.
stop. Let's walk.
It's like the other day, Xavier. Just
Listen.
you gotta come. You gotta come. Listen, we'll talk about it, all right? But
I
just
can't, what? Listen,
To the right.
Problem for him is his story is a bit inconsistent here, and that's certainly weighing into the decision to go with the account offered by the ex and I guess her boyfriend. We'll keep an eye on it. In the meantime, let's go to Richland County. Master Deputy Colin Davis there. It looks like he's pulling over a car on the private side.
How you doing?
So, Deputy Davis conducted a traffic stop on this vehicle for and high speed on the roadway. So he's making contact with the driver, advising her of safer driving habits. I got to drive.
On Patrol Live aired what may end up being the most shocking moment of the year, says Entertainment Weekly. Responded to a report of a toddler waving a firearm.
That's absolutely tough to see.
And it's making headlines across the country.
This